In this video, I show you how to move one item at a time or a complete assembly. Just start with Object Tools, the Grab tool, and select a single item like this car, which is just one piece, there's no assembly. If you have still Grab active and go to this car, for example, this is a complete assembly with a lot of different parts. So if I just have the steering wheel, I can move the steering wheel. If I double click on the steering wheel, it goes up, the complete assembly, and I can then move and use the complete car, of course, with both hands, for example, or even part of the car like the wheel here. It's one piece of the wheel. If I double click, I get the complete wheel and can move this around. If you put Grab off, you can also use the remote selection like this. And here you have the steering wheel, double click, complete, and use it. Here again, remote selection, Grab off, this one box, the two boxes together with the underneath. And if you click more, it goes up the complete assembly until you have more or less the complete assembly table here together, and you may move this, for example, with pinch to another place, then put it off, and you have again the remote selection.